Welcome to Saline High School Educational Development Plan. Today, the instructions are simply going to take you to the Naviance website, where you will then log in using your Naviance login information that you have probably done before when one of the classroom presentations with the counselors have been in a class for you. The first thing you're going to do today is you are going to, once you're in the Naviance Family Connections, you're going to click on the Careers tab. And then you are going to click on the Do What You Are. Then you're going to go ahead, you're going to do the intro and start the Do What You Are. Once you are done with that, you're then going to be going into Cluster Finder. Cluster Finder, you're simply going to press on Start, click on that, then you're going to go through the activities for Cluster Finder, and then you will be complete with that. After that, you are going to go into the About Me tab. When you click on that, you're going to see something where you'll be looking for resume. When you get there, which would be down here, you're going to click on the resume, and there's many different things that you're able to do with the resume. What I'd like to do is just show you a couple things that you could possibly be doing once you are into the resume to update it. You can go in and, for example, if you have a job or you have had a job, you can click on Work Experience. Then you would be talking a little bit about the different things you do with the job, filling that out as part of your resume. Another thing you could do is possibly list extracurricular activities. When you do that, you'd list an activity, how long you've been doing that activity for, average hours per week, total hours, and the grades you participated. Something else possibly you might want to do is maybe you could do music or artistic achievement. Same thing, you'll put the name of what you've done, start date, end date, average hours per week. It's all pretty simple, but as you fill these different pieces in for your resume, it does help store them in Naviance for when you do need them, possibly applying for colleges or thereafter. Once you're done with a couple different categories under resume, you can click out of Naviance, and we would like you to then sign the form, the Educational Development Plan sheet that has your year on it, sign it, date it, and turn it into the guidance office so that we know you have done this. That will be all you will need to do for this year's Educational Development Plan.